Yes, let us resume it, our talk, our discussion. Then I will stop the video so that signal strength will be the high and there is no disturbance I will occur over there. Okay, now I think that you are hearing me. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here I have given the be a salesperson may use the various techniques to convince the consumers that is not to consider the use of the creative imaginative faculty, and as a salesperson even if he goes through a training to acquire the knowledge about the product will not be excluded from the definition of a workman. And C, the ID Act, Industrial Dispute Act, does not differentiate with the part-time and full-time and casual or daily wages. D, regular and or permanent workmen, all such individuals are subject to the Industrial Dispute Act if they fulfill the ingredients as provided in the section 2S. So here I have given 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, again 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. These are all again the same thing, but here I made the very much clear this. I think this we did it. Is it
Okay.
we did it or we did not do it? This is the second one.
We did it, sir.
We did it. So now let us come to the point of the 21. And a basic production leads to the labor law is about the 3, but not the, this also we did it.
No, sir.
So up to where extent that because I could not remember.
Up to 22, sir. 21 or
22 we
22.
did it. Yeah, 22. This is 22. Which one of the following
21,
false
sir. Up
statement
to
about the
21,
labor
sir.
laws? Huh?
Up to 21.
21, sir. 21, sir.
21 we did it. Okay. The basic protection release labor laws is about the 3, but not the should not be 1, but all means that is wages, social security, living condition, working conditions. Which one is the right one? In the 21.
C, sir. C, sir. Living
It is the
conditions.
C, not the living
C, sir.
conditions are not there. The C is the right answer, which is not connected with. Wages are very much connected, social security is very much connected, working conditions are very much connected. Yes, now 22nd, which one of the following the false statement about the labor laws? The false statement about the labor laws. Please mute. I am getting the sound, otherwise I'll get the sound, rich sound. You mute. When you want to speak at the time, you can unmute it. Okay, 22 is there. Which one of the following is the false statement about the labor laws? A. Labor falls under the concurrent list of the Constitution. B. Therefore, both Parliament and the state legislature can make the laws regulating labor. C. The central government has stated there are over the 100 state and the 40 central laws. D. Regulating various aspects of labor, such as the resolution of the individual disputes, working conditions, social security, and wages. Which one is the false statement among them?
A, sir.
Sir, it's already in feedback. D.
Yeah, the feedback I have shown you. Therefore, the B is the feedback. That the industrial dispute is there. So now 23rd is there. Dash recommended the consolidation of the central labor laws into broader groups such as the industrial relations. 2. Wages. 3. Social security. 4. Safety. And 5. Welfare and working conditions. So, which act recommended this thing? National Labor Commission, Commission of Labor Nation, National Commission on Labor, or Labor Commission of Nation?
Yes, sir. National
Yes, sir.
Commission. Labor Commission.
Yes, sir.
National Labor
Yes,
Commission
sir.
is right or National Commission on Labor is right?
Yes, sir.
C, sir. C.
C, sir.
C is right. It is the National Commission on Labor recommended that thing. See, I made you confused everything. National Labor Commission, Commission Labor, Labor Commission. The right answer is C. The National Commission on Labor recommended the consolidation of the central labor laws. Okay, 24th. In 2019, the Dash introduced the 4 bills on labor codes and consolidated 29 central labors. Again, now you tell me, Labor Ministry and Employment, Employment and Labor Ministry, Labor and Employment Ministry, or Ministry of Labor and Employment?
Sir, Minister of Labor and Employment. D,
D,
sir.
sir. D.
D is the right answer. Kirtan has given another, even Dr. have also given, I think, the right answer for that one. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Now, 25th, these 4 codes exact or correct sequence. Wages, social security, industrial relations, occupational safety, health and working conditions. B. wages, industrial relations, social security, occupational safety, working and health condition. C, wages, industrial relations, occupational safety, social security, health and working condition. D, wages, industrial relations, social security, occupational safety, health and working condition. Which one is the right answer?
It is answer, sir.
Yes, repeat.
Sir, D, sir.
No,
Sir, yes, sir. Yes.
no,
D, sir. Wages and
Wages,
industrial relations. D, sir. Start.
no.
D.
C, wages,
C.
industrial relations, occupational safety, social security, health and working condition. That is the appropriate position. Yes,
Sir,
26.
sir,
26. Dash contains the provision for maintaining the spittoon and frequency of whitewashing walls. Which act says?
That is Factories Act, sir.
Factories Act,
Factories
sir.
Act.
D.
Daksa is right. It is the Factories Act will say spittoons should be maintained and a whitewashing wall should be there. Okay, 27th question. Match the words from part 1 and explanation or description is given in the part 2 in the following. Worker, an employee, line employee, labor. In the right hand side I have given A, B, C, D. Are those directly involved in the daily operations of a business by selling or producing a product or service? B. We mean the work done by hard manual labor, mostly work done by unskilled workers. C. One that works especially a manual or industrial labor or with a particular material or a factory worker. D. In a person who is paid to work for an organization or for another person. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. These are also
All are
everything.
same.
All are the same, sir.
Now you tell me which one is the right answer for the right one.
Sir, 1, 2D.
Okay, I made the same. Okay, now you tell me
Yes,
which is the right one for the right answer.
C, sir.
One,
Sir, it's A, sir.
worker.
1C, 2D, 3A, 4B.
See, worker means one that works especially at a manual or industrial labor or with a particular material or factory worker. Now you see which one is right. One that works, it comes in the C. 1C.
C, sir.
Okay, that is another. An employee is a person who is paid to work for an organization or for another person. Which one is right? Here you check it.
D.
You have to check it again. The labor, we mean the work done by a hard manual labor, mostly work done by an unskilled worker. Now you check it.
A, were those directly involved?
Unskilled worker. Hard labor.
Okay, sir. C.
B. B,
B.
there it is given. Yeah. Then, in the same manner that you can go like that, which one is the right answer, which one is the wrong answer. You have to know the worker definition, employee definition, line employee definition, and the labor definition. Then we can compare it in a proper way. Okay, next. The International Labour Organization, ILO, celebrated its dash in 2019.
100th
98th
anniversary, sir.
anniversary.
C. C. 100th anniversary.
It is 100th anniversary in that 2019. C is the right answer. 29. It is the only tripartite UN agency. It brings together dash of 187 members of the state to set a labor standards, develop policies and devise programs promoting decent work for all women and men among four are, but one is not relevant. Which one it is not relevant to the above statement?
Government.
Employers, workplace, workers.
Sir, C, sir. Workplace.
All three are tripartite, connected to the labor
Yes, sir.
standards.
Government, sir. Government.
Government is
Workplace.
very much connected to the labor
C, sir.
standards. Employers, definitely they will come into the picture. Workers,
Place,
it is
sir,
there
place.
for them.
Workplace,
Only workplace is
Workplace,
there.
sir,
C,
only.
sir. C.
Workplace.
C is not there. You have to give the answer C, which is not connected to the above statement. Now read the 30th question, anyone?
which one relating to ILO is wrong or false proposition? Established in 1919 by the Treaty of Versailles as an affiliated agency of the League of Nations, B. Became the first affiliated specialized agency of the United Nations in 1946, headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. C. Founding mission, social justice essential to universal and lasting peace. D. Received the Nobel Prize in 1970.
Yeah, among them, the last one is received the Nobel Prize 1970, no,
1970.
1969. That is the right answer. Yes, the reorganization, the organization has played a key role in the three, but not in one. Ensuring the labor rights during the Great Impression, decolonization process, the creation of the Solidarnosc, the trade union in Poland, the victory over the apartheid in South Africa. I give the answer also. Feedback, ensuring the labor
Preparation.
rights and during the Great Depression, not impression. So that is the answer. So next is governing body is the executive council of the ILO. It meets how many times in a year in Geneva? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer you have to give quick. 3 times. Okay, next. Which is not the function of the ILO. It is not the function of the ILO. Creation of the coordinated policy of the program directed to solving the economical and financial issues. Adoption of the international labor standards in the form of the conventions and recommendations and control over their implementation. C. Assistance to the member state in solving the social and labor problems. D. Human rights protection, right of the work, freedom of association, collective negotiation, protection against the forced labor, protection against the discrimination. A, B, C,
D, sir.
D.
D.
It is the B. It is the B because creation of the coordinated policies program directed and solving the social and labor issues. But I wrote there different thing.
They don't like it.
Yes, it is not. I read social B, conventional social, other thing that I wrote over there. So that is the answer. Which one? Yes, which of the ILO convention India has not ratified? Feedback also have given.
Excuse me, sir. What is the
Minimum Wages Act. Sorry, the freedom of association and production of the right and organize the convention 1948 is not ratified, but other things are ratified here. See, I have given all the ratified 6 out of 8, and not ratified also I have given. There are the 2 not ratified. The one is freedom of association and protection of the rights to organize the convention 1948, a right to organize the collective bargaining conventions in 1949, and the India is the founding member of the ILO, and it has been permanent member of the ILO since dash executive body, working body, governing body, permanent body. Answer is the governing body. Next, the 36th question, the highlight, the 8 ILO convention taken together, the more relevant today is the face of dash and other challenges improving the other welfare livelihood workers in the all region. That economical global or global economic or world economic or economic world. Answer is global economic. So next, it meets the 3 times in a year in dash: February, June, November, March, July, November, March, June, November, or March, June, October.
C, sir. March, June, November.
See, March, June, November. The code wages 2019, which one is wrong or false? Payment of Wages Act, Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Equal Remuneration Act.
Equal Remuneration Act.
No, Minimum Wages Act will not there. So now the last question, let us see, is the read the last question, 4th one.
Code on Social Security 2019 are subsumed among all except one.
Which one it is?
Employee state.
C, sir.
It's the
D,
C,
sir.
Workman
Material
Compensation
prevention.
Act will not come. So in the same way, Industrial Relations Code 2019, following the subsumed, observed Trade Union Act 1926, Industrial Dispute Act, Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act of 1946, Motor Transport Act of the 1961, Industrial Dispute Act of 1947, which is not observed in the Industrial Relations Code.
C, sir.
It is the C, Motor
C.
Transport Workers Act
Motor transport.
1961. It
Yes,
is
sir.
not. It is not connected with it. So the next class is
Acquisition
Land
Act.
acquisition.
Land
Land
Acquisition Act,
Acquisition Act
2
of
marks.
2. Only 2 marks question is there. And today, because of this something, if the I think power is disconnected. That's the reason that I could lost my Wi-Fi.